Welcome to Skid Steer Solutions and a demonstration of our PD-550 high impact gas charged post driver. The PD-550 uses a power cell out of a concrete breaker. This is a very high impact post driver. It's used on everything from 4-inch posts all the way up to railroad ties. Kind of the key secret to this is our whole cup mechanism here. It encases the actual post while you're driving it. We have different size eyelets here that you can use, so you can swap them out depending on the size of the post that you're driving. And it's very simple to use, very easy to operate, and very low maintenance.